back to Mama Weesie channel. Today, I'm having my daughter Tania take over my kitchen. Yes, my daughter, this is the baby girl. She's taking over the kitchen. She's showing y'all how to prepare some fried chicken. So I want y'all to come on along as she do this.
Making fried chicken. Okay, y'all, so I got all my seasonings right here. I already washed up my chicken. So the seasonings I have is paprika, cayenne pepper, oregano crush, pepper, salt, and seasoned salt. And I'm also making rice, Spanish rice. And let's get started. Let me move this over. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the seasoning. So the first seasoning I'm using is salt. I'm using is black pepper. And next I'm about to use is seasoning salt. Thing I'm gonna do. So now I got all my my chickens seasoned up. As you can you see that? I don't think y'all can see that, but this season is very much giving us very much seasoning. So I'm about to mix it all up together. I think that's it. So now what I'm about to do is put it in my flour, and basically my flour already has seasoning just in case and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 at a time. Make sure my lid is closed, but I'm having trouble here. It's not closing right.
Hey, my Weezie Nation. So I had to step in and make sure she got the lid closed right because we don't want no mess. Okay.
Alright, so I got it closed now. So now we just gonna keep on shaking it up till it got all the flour in here. So y'all, if y'all don't know me already, I do not like to talk. Like I am the most quietest person ever, but I be speaking whenever I need to. So yeah. So I think my chicken is all done. So now this is the scary part because I do not like grease popping on me. I feel like I'm dying, burning. But y'all. Alright, so we're gonna put the chicken in the grease. As you can see, I already have grease in my thingy. I need help.
Okay, here Weezie Nation again. So we're gonna turn it down because she don't want to get burned. Okay. Well, she don't want the grease popping on her. So we're gonna put the chicken in there, nice and easy. Uh-oh, there she goes, flinching. Gotta turn down slightly.
Go ahead.
Oh, and my hand is clean as well. So, okay, you want to get the other. She's frying up. How many chicken is that? How many chicken legs you frying?
5.
Okay. Can you help close them again? Me again.
I need to wash my hands.
Sounds good, Tania.
Yes, it is.
Okay. There you go. Yeah.
Okay, so let me get this flour out the way. So I'm about to flip it. Woo! Y'all, it's nice and brown. Hold on. I do not like how the way this side is all. Okay. Oh, now this side, this one is not flipping. Uh-oh. It's still not flipping, y'all. Okay, there we go. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I had a very hard time flipping that. That was mad yellow. Like, as y'all can see, that flip was mad yellow. Yeah. So we just want to let it sit, and I'll show you whenever it's ready. So, yeah. Alright, yeah, so basically, it looks good. Really, really good. Oh, and by the way, you can call me Chef Nia now because I know how to cook. But yeah, it's coming along great. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when the rest is finished. And yeah. Woo! Y'all, I'm getting hungry. So I think the chicken is done.
Okay, let's see. No, not yet. Still got some more frying to do. That looks good. Chef Tania. Oh, Chef Nia, excuse me. Chef Nia. That looks good. Let's say that's your first time frying up some good luscious chicken, girl.
Oh, by the way, this is one of my biggest favorite food in the whole wide world. I can eat this anytime, any day, and any hours. This chicken. Like, it's literally fried chicken. What would you do without fried chicken? So the chicken's not done yet. It's almost done, but yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna come back with y'all in a few minutes. Ooh, this grease is popping. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna take my chicken out. So what I'm about to put on my chicken is basil. It gives it a nice little touch and a nice little flavor. So this is what my chicken look like. I have 4 chickens. I didn't do the other one yet, so I'm gonna do that one off camera. So yeah, this is what the chicken look like. Alright, so we about to do a taste test.
Okay, she's having me taste. Doing a taste test. Oh, want to do a taste test?
Piece off of it. It's hot.
Oh, it is hot, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think.
Okay. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, it is hot. I'm trying to get peace. Yeah, I can see how it looks nice and crunchy.
Cheers.
Oh, my baby girl. My baby. She did her fried chicken. Oh my God. It is good.
Oh, that's hot.
Okay. There you go. She did good.
Oh, so y'all, I was supposed to be making rice, but I'm gonna make that off camera too. So. Alright, y'all, that's it for the video. So I want y'all guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video to your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. What my mom would say always. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, 1x me _ almost forgot my Instagram at. But alright, y'all, peace.